Hello everyone, good morning to all. Okay, so hopefully you all went through my first video that was all about introduction, what we are going to learn in Python, and basically I explained about something like how to print statements and all. Okay, so basically today we will revise firstly what we learned in that video. So basically what we learn how to print any stuff. Okay, so today I will start with that one. Okay, so by using only print in parenthesis we can use this double quote and we can pass any string. Okay, so I will print here hello everyone. Okay, and just hit on this run button, it will execute our cell. If you wanted to execute these statements by shortcuts, then I already told you how you can execute. You can execute with Shift Enter. What Shift Enter will do? Shift Enter will do means execute the current cell and add one cell after that current cell. Okay. If I will try to execute it with the help of Control Enter. See, I am pressing Control Enter. What it will do? It will just execute that cell and just it means it will remain over there only. Okay. If I wanted to add a cell after it, I will use only means click here and click on B. It will add one cell after that. Okay. If I wanted to add a cell before this current cell, I have to press only A. It will add one cell before my current cell. Okay, I'm print means pasting here again that statement, and which one is remaining? Alt enter, right? So we will see what alt enter will do. I am hitting means executing with the help of alt enter C. What it will do? It will also execute the current cell and adds one cell after it, and it will move to next one. Okay, if I wanted to delete this cell, I will only click here and click here cut. Okay, right guys? Yeah, if you wanted to insert from here, you can insert above and below. Okay, so this is some basics I wanted to tell you. After that, if we are giving some heading and something, so we can do here means markdown or draw कुछ हम लोग raw string provide कर रहे हैं, heading provide कर रहे हैं, like see here it is. Jupyter itself saying to hashtag this is a label to heading. Okay, so see what we will do. I will make it as again like means code format. Okay, I will use this hashtag. I used here twice. Okay, so what I will give here heading, I will give here Python. Okay, and if you will make it markdown, it will like this. Okay, and then hit shift enter. This will become our heading. In bold it is giving. If you want means see here we provided two hashtags, so it is giving this one is in means its height, and we can see means the text height is more. If we want to reduce it, you can use this uh, one more additional hashtag over there, and then simply do type that one and use your markdown and hit shift enter, right? If you want to again reduce it, see I'm doing the same stuff over here. Okay, now I will tell you what shortcut. Okay, so after typing this, do except M. Okay, and hit shift enter. See, you can able to see. Okay, so I'm mentioning here by using hash we can able to mark down, and we can able to provide heading to our stuff. I can say simply. Okay, except M, shift, enter. Okay guys. Okay, so this is how we can means use. So basically what is it, it means what we did here now I will mention here. Okay, this is nothing but mark down. Okay, so it is helpful to all. Okay, okay, मतलब आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा। हैशटैग के बाद कुछ भी लिखो एंड एक्सेप्ट सी hashtag के बाद here you can write anything. After that press escape and M, escape and M. Then what we have to do, we have to hit these two buttons, shift plus no, sorry, shift and enter. Okay, and it will make our stuff as a heading we can say, or mark down we can say. Okay, right. So see, here you may say this is not fitting over here. Okay, so if I wanted to make it raw, I will click here, will go here, I will make it raw and B convert. So what it will do, it will make it raw. So after that I'm now clicking here and pressing B for adding some cell into it. Okay, yeah. So what next I will, so hopefully after mark down what I told to you guys, how to make any cell as a raw data cell. Okay, with the help of this. Okay, yeah. And if you wanted to make it with the help of shortcut key, I'm copying this data, pasting here. Yeah, see, except R. You can use here shortcut key. I'm writing here escape R. Escape and R is used to make it as raw and B convert. Understood? Or we can say that the cell is converted into raw. Yeah. So basically, okay, here I'm making markdown how to add cells. How to add cells in current notebook. Except M, shift, enter. This is how means whenever you will do practice, guys, you will be make sure that you will understood how to means do this all. Okay, so what I told you guys by using, okay, I have told already some shortcut. If you use except and B, it will add cell below the current cell. Okay, see, and if you guys used except A, it will add, sorry, here I forgot to write this add. It will add cell below the current cell. It will add cell above the current cell. Okay, yeah. So basically, see, I'm again adding some sale. So what again I will discuss with you guys. This is I told means how we can use this Jupyter notebook. Okay, so I will write here functionality. Okay, of Jupyter, and what we are going to see today, identifiers. I guess should I only post this video? Okay, okay, we will take some identifiers also. Actually, what I'm thinking to do means short videos, so that's why. But still, we can make at least we can introduce today, and then we can see this next video also in detail. I guess this will make some sense. Yeah. So see which type of identifiers and keywords we have, right? Firstly, I will tell you for creating identifiers, we have some thumb rule. Okay, it should be start with alphabet or underscore only and only. Okay, it won't be like start with numerical values or something else. No, nothing. It will always start with A to Z, means alphabets or underscore. That's it. Okay, then this can be means any alphabet or underscore. It can be followed by alphabets only. Okay, and numbers also. Okay, there is not an issue. After means first alphabet or first underscore, we can write anything to assign or creating identifier. But at the starting, we have to make sure that it will be only and only alphabet. It is starting with alphabet or underscore. Okay. And one more thing, like we have some keywords, right? What keywords? After some days, you will understand what am I talking about. What type of keywords we have? Okay. So basically, I will tell you guys here very basic thing. Whichever keyword means um, what I can say, keywords. What I'm saying, keywords are not are not used, cannot be keywords cannot be used as an identifier. So basically, whenever you are making this, giving name to identifier, creating some identifier, it won't be any keywords. Okay, so basically whichever word is changing color, going in green. Okay, so here we can say not or as. See, here itself we are able to see these keywords. These are the keywords and many more over there. Okay, after some days you will be able to understand this true, this false. Again, yeah, we have this none, and is also keyword. Okay, so likewise it won't be start with this name, means identifier won't be a keywords. This is what I'm telling you guys. Okay, after some days, if you will be tuned with me for a long time, and if you guys seen my one by one videos, then you will be able to understand what I'm saying to you. Okay, basically, okay, I will write here definition. Anything that changes its color. Okay, its color, COLO, cannot, sorry, cannot be used as identifier. If you won't be able to recall, just make sure anything that changes its color cannot be used as identifier. So see, I'm making this wrong. Okay, so this or here I'm already given some identifiers. Okay, not or as true, false, none, and okay. These are the some keywords which we can't use as identifiers. Yeah, this is what main thumb rule, and every time we have to make sure that whenever we are creating identifier, it will be identifier whenever we are creating identifier, it should be start with alphabets or underscore only. This is what main thumb rule I can say. Okay, thumb rule for creating identifiers. Okay, so I'm making this also raw, so you can able to see all the stuff at a time. Okay, so this is all about today. Okay, so in detail we definitely we are going to see what is identifiers, how we can perform functionality by using identifiers, which type of functionality we have available with us. But meanwhile, for today I guess this is sufficient. And if you guys at least understood today this one, then it will be more beneficial to you. And for learning more about identifiers, we will meet in next video. Till the time, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.